This is a Wilson's bird of paradise. He's brightly coloured, but about the size of a sparrow. He's lived most of his life alone. But now he's an adult, and he too needs to attract a mate. This little patch of light might help him do so. First, he tidies things up. Showing off in this jumble of leaves wouldn't be easy. And his beauty will stand out better against a plain background. He doesn't want bright leaves to divert a visitor's attention. They all need to go. Even the green ones. Especially the green ones.